All right, so Tuesday, we're going to take this quiz we worked on last time before first spring break. We're going to modify it. The assignment's called the double bunk bed. The shape you drew, it was like the outline of the framework for this double bunk bed system we're going to draw. Part of the class called Green Architecture deals with some of the architecture of like drawing of like houses, like the picture up here shows. Some of it deals with the architecture of interior items like furniture. So we're doing that one first, called the double bunk bed. Just log onto your SketchUp account, open the drawing, watch this lesson, and read the directions and get started. So goal is to get checkpoint 1 done today. So I'll have I'll put the link here. Not there yet. I'll get that link there. And what it is just taking this quiz we drew. Here it is, this 10 foot by 6 foot by 3 foot little block. We're going to carve out of this to make sleeping areas for 4 people and other stuff. All right. So here's the thing here. It's we're going to pretend that we're furniture designers. Okay. And it says we have a client that's going to hire us to design them this double bunk bed that sleeps 4 that meets the criteria as follows. So they want, here's the 4 checkpoints. Item 1. Here's today's focus. It says the client would like room for 2 people to be able to sleep on the bottom and 2 people to sleep on the top bunk. So 2 on the bottom bunk, 2 on the top bunk. Okay. They're requesting that you hollow out the drawing to create sleeping areas. So you're going to carve out of here to make this the potential bottom left bunk, top left bunk, bottom right bunk, top right bunk. Okay. They want the bottom bunk exactly 2 feet off the ground. All right. And they want the top bunk to have 1 foot of material left behind for the top bunk. What does it all mean? Let's begin. So here's that drawing. Here it is. Okay. So they want to have 2 foot up to the top of the sleeping area for the bottom bunk. Let's do that. So use a tape measure tool. I hook it on the end of my shape and drag up the blue axis. I'm going to go 2 feet, enter. So just off camera, right down here, you can see the numbers. Let me see if I can move the camera a little bit. There we go. 2 feet. Okay. And so they want the top bunk to have 1 foot of material left behind. Because they're hoping that this 1 foot of room here is thick enough to hold the weight of a person. So 2 feet up, 1 foot down. Over here, same thing. Up the blue axis, 2 feet. Down the blue axis, 1 foot. Okay, so there's my bottom bunk and the top bunk. Bottom bunk, top bunk. There's more in there. Let's find out next. 1 foot off the top. Got that for some material. And at least 2 feet of material left intact near the outside edges. What that means is they want to have, like this edge here, at least 2 feet of room. This could be like the headboard zone of the bed and the headboard zone of the bed. So let's go 2 feet in. I'm going to go 24. Same thing as 2 feet, right? I'm going to go 24. Okay. So now I'm going to draw on this little zone. I'm going to draw from intersection to intersection to intersection to intersection. I'm going to follow the shape. Make sure I'm on the right axes of red, green, and blue. Oops, escape. Draw this line in. Got it. I'm going to erase these lines. So now I kind of have that zone there. All right. How do you hollow this part here out? I got to use a push-pull tool for that. So if I take and use a push-pull tool, now hover on the surface, I'm going to push inward exactly 3 feet. How do I know that? Because here, whoops, where are we at? Get back to here. This is 3 feet, right? So if I go 3 feet, look at that, what happened there? Let's find out, orbit. That is going to carve through. There's still a little skin coat here. But if I select this small little coating of material, hit my delete button, It's hollowed out. Rub it back. So now I have this zone ready to go for this sleeping zone. And that. Over here, same thing. The push-pull tool. Push outward in, 3 feet, and then orbit around. Got it. These little lines here, these we can remove. I'm going to erase those. Zoom out, orbit back, erase that one. So now we kind of have part of the request done. We have it carved out. One sleeps here, one sleeps here, one sleeps here, one sleeps there. There's 4. What else do they want? So we got 2 in the bottom, 2 in the top, done. We are hollowing it out, did that. We have 2 feet off the ground, did that. Top 1 foot left for support, did that. 2 feet on the ends, got that. Some sort of safety barrier installed in the top bunk to prevent an accidental fall. It says, see this video for more information. Perfect. Perfect. Okay. So that top bunk, bottom bunk, not so worried about it. 2 feet fall, no worries. Here, 6 foot fall, that might cause some problems. So safety barrier, what we'll do is we're going to kind of carve into this and push this zone down a little bit. For now, we'll do a small little push. Later, we'll add some other stuff. But for now, kind of push this zone in a little bit. So what we're going to do is use a tool we haven't used yet. It's underneath the push-pull tool. It's the one called the offset tool. Offset tool. Okay? This one you don't really click with. You kind of hover. Just hover. If I hover in here, so it kind of turns dotted, and it's grabbing the edge of my shape. It didn't click yet. It's hovering. Okay? If you click by accident, hit escape. Try it again. Hover. I'm going to click, hold the mouse down, and drag inward. See the little line appears? I want to have this little line. I'm going to drop it somewhere in the middle, and I'm going to type in on a distance of 0.75, 3/4 of an inch. So go 0.75. Oh, hit escape. Press again. Let's undo that. Try it again. Click, drag in. Let's go 0.75. Enter. So there it is. I copied the line in really thin. Okay, 3/4 of an inch. Now, if you use that push-pull tool, watch this. Push-pull tool. Oh, sorry, try again. Undo. Okay. I said it wrong earlier. Watch again. Offset tool. Hover. Click move. Okay, don't click drag. Click move. I haven't committed yet. I'm going to hover somewhere over here. It's the limit. Anchor down. Now go 0.75. That's what I did wrong last time. And then use a little push-pull tool. I'm going to grab just this little 3/4 of an inch bin here. Let's bring that little piece up about, let's go 6 inches. Okay, so what we did there is we kind of used the bunk bed to create a little safety barrier. Now if you're sleeping, you hit the wall, you won't fall out. How's that? That's checkpoint number 1.